The microphone on the Galaxy S23 allows clear phone calls and audio recordings. But some users encounter the microphone intermittently, cutting out or stops working during calls and video chats. The person on the other end is unable to hear you speaking when the mic cuts out. There are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve microphone cutting out issues on the Galaxy S23. Before we move on, please take a second to like our video or even share it with your friends who might have issues with their devices. It's a great help for us. Now let's jump right into our tips. Check the microphone. Inspect the microphone opening at the bottom of your Galaxy S23 near the charger port. Look for any debris or obstruction blocking the microphone hole, like lint or dirt buildup. Use a toothpick to gently clean out the microphone port. Any blockages can muffle the microphone. Also, check that the phone case does not have material interfering with or covering the microphone opening. Check for app conflicts. Check if the microphone cuts out when using specific apps. For example, the mic may glitch in WhatsApp only. So try to close other apps when testing the microphone. Just tap on the recent apps key to view all apps that are left running in the background. Then tap close all to stop all apps at once. After that, try to see if the problem still persists, because if it does, then move on to the next solution. Record your voice. One way to check if your phone's microphone is working properly is to record your voice using other apps. You may use a voice recorder app or record a video without talking in it. After that, play the audio or the video to see if the microphone has picked up your voice. If your voice is clear in the recording, then it means that the microphone is working properly, and the problem could only be with the app you're using. Reset all settings in your phone. After making sure that your phone's microphone is working properly and the problem continues, what you need to do next is to reset all settings. This will bring all system settings back to factory defaults without deleting any of your files or data. To do it, launch Settings and tap General Management. Scroll down and tap Reset. Then select Reset All Settings. Tap the Reset All Settings button and then enter your PIN or password if prompted. Then tap Reset Settings to proceed. Your phone will reboot once the settings reset is finished. After that, the problem should already be fixed. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.